What's up, workout buddies? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys really enjoy doing my fat belly program. This coming month, or the month of May, the program is going to be focusing on burning fat fast so we can get ready for summer. Obviously, you can start anytime, not just the beginning of May. The PDF with the workout calendar, the guide, and the daily workouts is going to be available in the description box down below, so you can check it out and follow it whenever you feel like. I highly recommend that you read through it before starting. And as per usual, I'll be updating my Monday through Saturday playlist with the daily workouts, and it'll be updated with the new workouts as they're uploaded onto my channel. If you're ready to burn some fat and get ready for summer, tap that subscribe button and keep watching this video to find out how you can get the most out of this program, what to expect for results, and what equipment you're going to be needing. Anyways, let's go. I don't know about you guys, but I personally tend to gain a tiny layer of fat over my body throughout the winter. But summer's here, it's going to be really hot, and I just want to burn that layer off fast. If this sounds like you as well, then this program was tailor-made for you. We're going to be doing a combination of steady state cardio, HIIT cardio, body weight strength training, circus style weight training, and yoga to burn that fat off fast. Doing a combination of these things is pretty much the fastest way you can burn body fat off, especially if you also follow a clean diet at a small to moderate calorie deficit. Workouts are somewhat challenging, but they're totally approachable. You just gotta listen to your body and go at the pace that feels best for yourself. Slow down whenever you need to, stop whenever you need to, take breaks whenever you need to. The truth is, you get the most benefit from just trying your best, not by going to the most degree. Going too far, too fast, and for too long is the most common reason for injury, and you totally don't need to do that in order to get results anyways. If you stay 100% committed to this program and also follow a clean diet, you can expect to see your body fat drop within the first week. But even if it takes a little bit longer than a week for you to see results, just stick it through and be patient. You're going to be super happy with the results at the end of the month, especially if you follow through. Trust me. For the most part, you're not going to need any equipment other than a yoga mat. However, I do recommend getting a pair of dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells or you can't get any, you can use water bottles or other slightly heavy bottles in your household as weights. If you guys are excited about blasting some fat this coming month, be sure to drop a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have any questions or concerns. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon.